Some people wanna be the Grinch, some people wanna be the Grinch, but still they said that what you gonna think. Saying the Grinch is over there for the people, they're not happy, but they're happy, but I say I own them. Saying the Grinch is over there, and the Grinch is over there, that do you wanna know the what is on them? Saying the Grinch has been through everything, that everything is better now to bring the better to the whole world. Saying the Grinch is over there, the man that after everybody, everybody, even in the boys and girls. Saying the Grinch is over here, the saying the Grinch is over there, but the Grinch is just doing what they do. Saying the Grinch is in your veins, saying the Grinch is over here, and I say I want to go and see it too. Saying the Grinch is not that happy, so they gonna tell the people, saying the people that you do not even know. Saying you do not even know this, so you gonna talk about it, gonna talk about them up on their show. Saying the Grinch is over there, they're just doing what they do, and they wanna go and kick the people down. Saying that everybody saying I'm over here today, and you know that there we get you known down. Saying the Grinch is over here, and the Grinch is over there, and you know we got some Grinches in this world. Some of people talking about the why the words that keep her twirling, but the Grinches can't even get the girl. Saying the Grinches stick to man, said the man that's over there, the better back her like almost anything. Saying the Grinch is over there, and you really wanna know that, saying that why you like the color that green. Saying they say you need to smoke that green, and when you is the Grinch, and so that might make her go and keep you calm. Some of people talking about the other people's over there, and they said they wanna go and run for fun. Say that Grinch is over there, and that Grinch is over here, and the Grinch is just looking after you. Saying that yes, I'm over here, and I see what you do, and I want to go and keep it so true. I said the Grinch is over there, saying I see the Brian Lane, but you keep it dead real. Saying the Grinch is over there, and you follow a nigga up, and you say you gonna follow on that skill. Saying the Grinch is over here to rockin' up in the green, and they say they want that really money. Some of people's over there, they said don't play with my money, then I would act up funny. Saying the Grinch is over here, they saying the Grinch is over there, and you saying that I wanna see you down. Saying the Grinch is over here, when the Grinch is turning up, and the summer Grinch is turn it down. Saying a thank you to the people that said listen to the Grinch, when the Grinch is trying to keep it you from me. Saying I'm over here today, they saying the Grinch is over here, they got the Grinch all on your body. Saying that if you want the Grinch, do you even like the Grinch? Do you even want to keep it to yourself? Do you want to see these other people's over there, they acting like the Grinch, and they say they don't care? Saying the Grinch is over here, they saying the Grinch is over there, but the Grinch don't want none of you. Saying that if you met with them, and then you gonna get the Grinch, and then I'm gonna go and stomp on you. Saying that, hey, do you like the Grinch? Or some like the Grinch, and some of people said the Grinch is my style. Some of people looking up, and some of people looking down, and some of people just looking all around. Some of people looking for their Grinches over there, they're saying the Grinch is even in my family. Some of people saying, what about all these little Grinches over here that just are running next to me? They saying the little Grinch, them other little Grinch, I want to go and kicking them up in the ditch. Some of people's over there, the other family say, hey, you need to go and get my switch. Need to go and cool you down, now to put you up in check, cause we not to have no Grinch running around. Everybody's over here, the weed, talking about the people, other people better settle down. Saying that, yes, I know the Grinch, and the Grinch is over there, and the Grinch is just up in your soul. Some of people talking about this, and the Grinch is over here, and the Grinch is saying they really want some more. Saying the Grinch is over there, they want to keep you on down, don't want to go and see you happy. Gonna knock over everything and knock over all your melts, and now you want to see what it be. Santa, do you know the Grinch? Santa, oh yes, I know the Grinch. Summertime, the Grinch is up and in me. Santa, do you know the Grinch? Is Santa other people? Santa, Grinch is over here with me. Santa, do you know the Grinch? Everybody know the Grinch. So the people Santa, this is what they do. Santa, yes, I'm over here to just talking about the Grinch is over here, the enemy. So what I do? Santa, if you know the Grinch, Santa, if you know the Grinch, everybody saying, do you know the Grinch? Santa, if you know the Grinch, everybody talking about some people trying to put him on the bench. Santa, if you know the Grinch, everybody know the Grinch, and now you talking about you trying to grant a wish. But I'm over here today about to end it right now, cause you know that I get it on that Grinch, talking about that Grinch.